Yeah, hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So in the last session we we created the Google Cloud Run service, and that is we created using our like the previous build image. Okay, that's working fine as per our expectation. So here we have to implement the CI/CD pipeline for the Google Cloud Run. So as I told you, like the to clone the repo, to build and to push the image, it will remain same as it is. So we are not changing the inside the repo, okay. But only while deploy the Google Cloud Run, we have to change some parameter here because that command is different, okay. So I have to update these commands only, okay, to deploy the Google Cloud Run. As well as I have to substitute because we are not hard code the like the service name, image name, as well as the project ID. Okay, so I have to change here. So let's do one thing, guys. Let me take the same code here. So after that I can change it. Okay. So let me go to the Google Cloud Console. Guys, if you want to use the code, you can refer this URL. Okay, it is the official URL for the Google Cloud Run. Even I'm referring this URL to create the Google like the cloud build YML file for the Google Cloud Run. Okay, so let me change that cloud build YML file here. Let me reconnect the cloud console. I think it has been disconnected. Let me reconnect it. So you can update that cloud build YML file as per the our Google Cloud Run requirement. Okay. Let me take the backup of this file because here you are using the GK image, so you can change it. Because if you see our content registry, It's saying project ID, GCR IO, inside that project ID, then image name. Okay, the project ID also that is not hard coded, so you have to enter the substitute value here. PROJECT project ID. Let me copy the value here. I have to paste it. Image name. What is the image name inside the repository? It's CI/CD image, right? CI/CD image. CI/CD image. And service name. What is the service name? I mean, what is the cloud run? Okay, cloud run name is, that is also CI/CD. Yeah, because while creating this service run, okay, so whatever the image I selected, so what are the default name was coming here, I selected that, okay, I did not change that, so that's why it is showing a CI/CD image, but for your case you can change it, okay, so that would be easy to identify, okay, because here image name service name is showing as same, so you may be confused. So make sure image name is your registry image name and service name is your cloud run name, okay, cloud run service name. And we have to see the the location of this cloud run. It is US central one, right? US central one. US central one. Okay guys, so if you see the image name, service name, okay, as well as the uh, region, so those are not hard coded, so I updated the value here, as well as the project ID. So our variable name is underscore project ID, okay, I have to change it. Yeah, so it's looking fine now. And the triggering, if you see, I have to click on edit, or if you want to create the new trigger also, you can create that. Okay, so let me create the new trigger. Okay, instead of doing the confusion, I can create the new trigger for the Google Cloud Run. Let me delete it. CI/CD Cloud Run. Because central, you can keep as it is. Post of branch, that's fine. First generation, what is the repository name? It would be CI/CD. We are using the same repo for the Google Cloud Run. Yes, we have the cloud build YML file. and we can keep the service account as the default one. Let me click on create. Okay, so now I have to add the latest cloud window email file git at all. Let me add git add all file git commit updated for cloud run. Yeah, it seems I did not update anything. I did not change anything inside the our applications, right? So that's why I think it's not triggering. So let me change it the value like CI/CD pipeline for cloud run version 1. Even I have not performed the you know git push. It may be the problem. Git push. Let me push it because my cloud shell session are restored, so that's why it is asking to reauthorize even I open the new terminal for the Google Cloud Shell. Okay, so it authorize also as well as it push to the master. Okay, so it should start the triggering. Yeah, earlier it did not start the triggering. One is I did not updated anything inside the main.py file as well as I did not push to the master. Okay, because without entering to the master, because as soon as get the master then it will trigger. Okay, so let's see, maybe we can get some error, but not sure because I'm also doing this CI/CD pipeline for the Google Cloud Run for the first time. Okay, so let's see. So the image has been created as well as it is trying to post it to the Google Cloud registry. So it seems while performing the Google Cloud it got failed. Okay, so let's see. Okay, it's saying like the body permission denied for the for the Google Cloud Run. Okay, so let's see. Let me check some setting here. Google Cloud Run. Okay, it has been disabled, right? So I think that's the problem. It is throwing this error. It is required to enable some of the additional some of the APIs. We have to enable it as per this. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, Google Cloud Run API is not enabled. No, I think it is enabled, right? Okay, it's enabled. Okay. So let's do one thing. Let me go to the trigger and let me run it manually. Okay, and after that we can update some set contents inside the our source code. Then we can see. Let me go to the history. Yeah, it's doing the revision now. Okay, you can see here it's trying to update. Okay, I think it's done. Let me just retry and check that. Yeah, you can see it is working fine now. Okay, so what can I do now? Because I triggered it manually, right? So what can I do? Let me go to my source code and let me change something here. Like I can change to version 2, working fine. Let me save it. Let me add git add main.file main.py file, and I have to commit updated in main.py for cloud run. Let me push to source repository. So as soon as it pushes to our source repository, it will start the triggering. Okay, it is not required to run it now manually from the triggering, because we change it from the back end. Okay, as we have already created the pipeline, so it should be executed automatic. Before we did manually, because our cloud run was getting failed because due to like a insufficient permission. Okay, so I went to settings, then I provided the Google Cloud Run developer permission to the this service account, as well as I enabled the Cloud Run API. It was even enabled earlier, but it just asked me to recheck. Okay, it's taking some time to rebuild the image and post to the uh, like I'm in the Google Cloud Registry. So as soon as it's posted to the Google Cloud Registry, it will deploy the Google Cloud Run. I think in order to run on the in order to deploy the Google Cloud Run, it will take maximum 1 to 2 minutes to deploy on the Google Cloud Run. I mean, it will revision that. Okay, still it's in the process. Yeah. Yeah, you can see it is trying to revision the Google Cloud Run. I think it is done. So let me refresh the page here. Yeah. So thank you guys. You can see. So we did the CI/CD pipeline for the Google Cloud Run, and also it is working fine. Like while doing implement, we got some error due to the insufficient privilege due to the IAM, like the like some of the rules, like it was required to get the Cloud Run privilege to execute the Google Cloud Run. Okay, so after provided all the required privilege to the service account, it started to work. So it's working fine, guys. So that's all for today. So you can try to implement the CI/CD pipeline for the Google Cloud Run. In case if you face any kind of issue, please post me the message with the error, so I can take a look on the error, and I can update you accordingly. So thank you, guys. We will connect in the next session with a new topic. Okay. So thank you.